Hey everybody, it's Jay here and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about how the difference of list price and MRP affects the overall numbers in your dashboard. In nutshell, some of you might have noticed that Amazon gives you a bit of a discounted price on your product, right? So your customer buys a different price, you have set at a different price, right? So if that's the case, how Amazon advertising, behaves different numbers, right? So it so happened that I think last week one of my clients came to me and said, the ACOS is pretty high. I asked her whether you have calculated the right ACOS, and she said, "What do you mean by right ACOS? The ACOS is in front of me." I said, "No, what you are looking at is a discounted ACOS. You need to calculate the real ACOS to see the real picture." And I thought probably I'll just create a quick video on this topic for everybody benefits. So let's go to one of my clients' book here. So here you can see two prices. One is 29.99 and the other one is 52, right? It says list price, right? But list price is what Amazon specify on the page, and it could be different to what you have specified. So for example, in this scenario, right? So your new list price is 29.99. List price is the price at which the customer buys, Amazon product. So 52, we call it MRP from the publisher, from an author, what he or she had put in the pricing column. So most of the cases the MRP is equal to list price, and you don't see any strike through prices or discounted prices. In many of the cases, usually it happens when the same book is available on all the other platforms at a discounted price. If that's the case, Amazon does match it with those prices. Yeah, if not, there are other factors that Amazon do take into consideration. For example, the demand of the book, the relevance of the book, and stuff like that, to give discount to authors from time to time. Now I want to give you a bit of overview. Let's go back to the Amazon dashboard. The sales that you see here, generally speaking, if there is no discount, is on the, even if it's not, even if a discount or no discount, this sales comes by multiplying the orders multiply by the price that the Amazon customers eventually paid. Now, if your MRP is equal to list price, then your sales would be orders multiplied by your MRP that you original stated. And but if it's a discounted pricing like this, so this sales will be 354 multiplied by 29.99, because that's the price the customer eventually paid for this product. Now whatever you see here, the ACOS here is at the rate of 29.99. Now, for example, as I was saying, my client came back to me saying that the ACOS is high, right? So she was not looking at the right ACOS. What is the right ACOS in this case? So the royalties that you get in your dashboard will be at 52. It'll not be discounted. So what's happening here? Amazon is taking the share of the discounted price, and your royalties are not impacted. If you see your dashboard will have the royalties at the rate of MRP that you initially put for the book, right? And not 29.99 in this case. It'll be 52. Now, if to get to the real ACOS, what we need to do is multiply orders by the MRP, which is the 52, and then divide the spend, and divide spend with sales, multiply by 100 to get the real ACOS. In this case, probably it'll be in 20s, and the ACOS picture changes in a split second. So if your book is in a discount zone, do calculate the real ACOS. Sometimes this picture may not be that bad, you think, right? Imagine looking at 49% ACOS and eventually you calculate the new ACOS and it comes to about 22, 25, right? It's making sense now. right? So do that in case your book is discounted, and have a real picture before you start to action. I hope this video is helpful, and if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel so that you get to know all the new upcoming videos around Amazon advertising. And if you are currently struggling with your ads on your book, I would love to meet you to see, what you can do to make work. Sometimes all it takes is a small tweak to get the right direction. So if that's the case, I have put the meeting link in my description section. Do set up some convenient time, and we can meet to sort of go through your dashboard together. I love to meet new authors. I love to look at different books, different accounts. This is my full time thing, so I love what I do. So yeah, do check out the calendar link and book a slot for yourself. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.